Just enjoy life, dear. Life is too short. Kaya pahalagahan mo yung taong palaging nasa tabi mo. At iwasan mo na yung sa tingin mo hindi makakabuti para sa'yo. Life is too short. Huwag mo hayaang sumasabay ka lang sa agos ng dagat. Minsan, dapat ikaw mismo ang kokontrol ng direksyon nito. Because life is too short. Huwag kang manghinayang kung ngayon ay nabigo ka. Tandaan mo, dear, mas magandang nabigo ka dahil sinubukan mo kesa sa nabigo ka ng hindi mo pa sinusubukan. Life is too short. Huwag kang matakot sa pagod. Matakot ka sa oras na sinayang mo. Because life is too short. Life is too short to wake up with regrets. Love the people who treat you right and forget about the ones who don't. Life is too short to worry about anything.
Only love can hurt like this.
You had better enjoy because the next day promised nothing. In the end, you realize the next day promised nothing. Life. Uulitin ko yon. In the end, you realize the best thing in life is not something you can touch, but something you can feel. Life is too short. Enjoy life, my dear. Night.